Okay, Chua, only you, huh? So, got any question you like on your mind, huh? Okay, on topic, I think your friend need the recording. Or you restart the recording, Okay, so, on this topic, we talk about the bond portfolio management. And then in bond portfolio management, in the traditional way, people using the duration to manage their portfolio. Using the duration, the advantage is the company will know when they have the cash flow coming in. Okay, this is one of the liquidity management. Okay, why people prefer why traditional people using the uh duration? Because duration can capture two effects. In traditional method, people say got two effect will affect the bond price, sorry. Okay, the first is the interest rate. So long-term bond is sensitive to the interest rate. And then another is the coupon effect. So in the bond portfolio management, people using the duration because they can capture interest rate effect and the coupon effect. So how the people capture the coupon interest rate effect? They're using modified duration. Okay, they're using modified duration. Okay, and when using the modified duration, then we will know that the impact of the interest rate to the bond price. Oh, sorry, I should not write like this. Okay, impact of the change in interest rate to the bond price. Okay, this is the okay. This is the why people using the duration. So this is one of the purpose lah. Okay, so uh after the technology advanced, we had the new calculator come out. What then people found that if you're using the modified duration to capture interest rate effect, to capture this, that we overestimate the effect. That we overestimate the effect. So uh the latest version is people propose we should using the VAR. So this is the concept of this is the concept in this topic lah, huh? So question one, okay. Question one just want to show you the coupon effect only. So we can just want to show you lah, huh? Okay. Okay. This is the 5 years bond. This is the 20 years bond. 5 years bond. This is the 20 years bond. So this is a short term. This is a long term bond. So if you calculate, you get the price at here. You get the price at here. Okay, you get the price. So now we take the difference. We take the changes, 10 change to 8% or 12% change to 8%. See the impact. You see, the price change from 8% to 14%. So you see, long-term bond, the changes is bigger compared with the short-term bond. Okay, long-term bond, the fluctuation is larger than the short-term bond. So this is the interest rate effect. This is just want to show you the interest rate effect. Okay, simple this kind of thing. Oh, any question, Chua? No, okay. This will be the problem on for you all. Sorry, you give me 1 minute. I open another computer so I can show your message. I need to on another computer, then I easy to show your message lah. Okay. So now, I want to show you the coupon effect. So I want to show you the coupon effect. So normally in a midterm, sorry, not midterm, in the final, also one of the popular question is calculate the duration. So the duration and okay, the formula for the duration is we sum out all the future cash flow and they give the weightage for the different cash flow by using the T and then discount to the present value. Discount to the present value and then divide by the bond price. Okay, this is the formula for the duration. And then when you saw here, this actually is the MPV and multiplied with the T. So I have another shortcut for you if you're using the financial calculator. So this all actually is the MPV divided by the bond price. Okay, so I just using one example and then I give you try I I give you another example and you need to try. Okay, now the bond face value is 100 ringgit, 100,000. So future value is 100,000. So 100,000, the another 30 I don't want to write, because I lazy. So K is 1,000. So they have a different coupon and maturity date. Assume the coupon rate is 8%, 10%, 12%. Consider 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, and 20 years bond. And then the yield curve is 9%. This means what? This means this assignment, this question require you to calculate the 16 calculation. You need to calculate 16 times. That means if the coupon rate is 8%, then you need to calculate for maturity 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, and 20 years. So you need to do it 4 times. And then for 10%, you need to calculate 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, and 20 years. Another 4 times. So total you need to do for 14 times. But for me, my purpose is show you the coupon effect. So I just calculate 8% and 40% for 5 years. Then for you, your homework, you need to calculate 8% and 15%, 10 years. Okay. 10 years is your homework. Okay, so future value 100,000, N is 8%. Sorry, N is 5 years. Interest, the YTN yield curve is 9%. And then coupon rate is 8%. So 8% multiplied with 100,000, so it's 8,000. So what is the price today? What is the price today? And then you use your financial calculator. And may I know which brand you use? Chua? Which calculator you use? HP. Okay, HP I have. Mhm. My worry is it's an old version. Never mind. Make sure you know how to use your one. Okay, for the HP calculator, you need to check the payment per year. This one show me is a 12 payment per year. You shift and see, you check is 12 payment per year. Now you need to change to the 1. So you press 1, shift PYR here. So they will change to 1 per year. Okay, so you key in all the information you have. 100,000 future value, 5 years, 9%, and then 8 PNT. You compute PV, you get the bond price is 96.11. So here, 96.11. Okay, and then now we need to settle the MPV here. So we have the 5 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 years bond. Okay, the cash flow is the first year I get the coupon payment 8,000. Second year coupon payment 8,000, and third year and 4th year is the same. And then the last year, the 5th year, year 5. Okay, year 5 I receive coupon payment 8,000. At the same time, I will receive my principal, my future value lah, 100,000. So 8,000 plus 100,000. So we have 1,088 here at this year 5 here. Okay. Column 2. And then my shortcut will be you go to calculate the column. Okay. 1 multiplied 2 equal to 3. 1 multiplied 2 equal to 3. That means 2 times 8,000, you get 16,000. Year 4 times 8,000, you get 32,000. And year 5, you times 8, you get 540,000. Try until here, you okay, huh? Okay, now we want to find the MPV. We will want to find the MPV. We use the calculator with the CJ function. Oh my God. Oh, here. I have the CJ at here. Okay. CFJ, the cash flow function in your calculator. Okay, my version, this one is the old version. Maybe you cannot. Maybe the price is different with your one. Okay. And then now we want to key in. Okay. Now we want to key in this cash flow. We want to key in our cash flow. Okay. Our cash flow got any information on the CF0 or not, or initial outflow? We don't have. Our cash flow is start from the year 1. From the 1. Press 0 CFJ. And then the next is the 8,000 year 1. So 8 CJ. And then next 16 CFJ. And then you key in 24 CFJ, and then the 4th years is 32 CFJ. And then the 5th year is 450 CFJ. Okay. After you key in all the cash flow, you want to find the MPV. You want to find the MPV. You go to C the button MPV. You go to check the button MPV at here. So you oh sorry, forgot to key in the interest rate is 9%. After you key in this all interest rate is 9%. You need to mention the interest rate is 9%. So 9% is I interest rate. So after you key in the interest rate, so we go to find the MPV. Shift MPV at here. So you get 412.97. Okay, try until here you can follow. Okay, so you already finish your MPV. So you divide, then you will get the duration is 4.3 years. Duration is 4.3 years. Uncle okay, duration is 4.3 years. Okay, understand. So what is the meaning of 4.3 years? I mean, on average, this kind of bond, you need to hold 4.3 years. You can get back your initial investment. You can get back your initial investment. So the next is, I want to show you the coupon effect. So we go to compare with another bond with 14%. Okay, 14% interest. Then you do the same thing. You found the duration is 4.01 years, around 4 years. So you see, same same maturity, the bond that have the same maturity just only have the difference in the coupon payment. So the high coupon bond, they just need to hold for 4 years. You can get back your initial investment. And the low coupon payment bond, you need to hold 4.3 years. So this is the effect of the coupon payment. So we call it the coupon effect. Okay, we call it coupon effect. Why this why this happen? Because high coupon bond every years they will pay you the high coupon payment. So you can collect back your money faster. You can collect back your money faster. Example, you spend 1,000 to buy my bond. I issue the bond 1,000, and then this bond interest rate, the coupon payment is 20% for 5 years. For 5 years, so if you invest in my bond after 1 year, I pay you the coupon payment. 20% times 1,000, okay, 200 ringgit. So if after 1 year I bankrupt, you collect back your money. Your loss is just only 800 only, no 1,000. Okay, and then second years, I know you're bankrupt, I still continue pay the coupon payment for you. Then you collect back your initial investment, 400 ringgit. So if I bankrupt, you just lost 600. And For the year 3, year 4 is same. Okay. If I pay you early, sorry, if I pay you the high coupon payment, you are more safe. You are more safe because of the you can collect back the money faster. Okay. So if high coupon payment compared with the low coupon payment, you see their price fluctuation will be smaller if interest rate change. Okay, just like I show you in the lecture class. Okay, this is because high coupon bond the is more safety compared with the low coupon bond because you can collect the money faster. This is what we call coupon effect. Okay, then homework is you go to calculate 10 years for the 8% and 14%. So let me this one to let you know. Sorry, not let you know lah. Make sure you can make a good friend with your calculator. If you keep on have the mistake, then you know lah. You need to more frequent use your financial calculator. Okay. Try this is to let you try to let you practice. Okay, we skip question 3 because my another group also are not yet cover the question 3. We not yet cover the question 3. So we come to question 4. Okay, we come to question 4 because of I want to show you the new method. They say duration will overestimate the effect. So now I give you the situation to let you see the overestimation. Okay, so now we assume we had a 10 years coupon bond. The par value is 100 ringgit. The price today trade at 96.20205. That means the price on today the PV So question asking you what is the YTM and what is the modified duration for this zero coupon bond. Okay, so we had a 2 method to calculate the modified duration. We have 2 methods to calculate the modified here. YTM should not the issue for you. And is 10. Interest is what we want to find. PV is negative 69,20205. PMT is 0. Future value is 100. So you compute, you can get the YTM. Okay, this is not an issue. And then the thing we QU at here. The thing QU at here. So why still got answer at here? Okay, never mind. So the YTM you can get 3.75%. Okay. YTM is 3.75%. So the next is modified duration. Okay, modified duration, we have another formula to calculate the modified duration. This is how the this one what we call how people study hard to let next generation suffer lah. So Chua, if you taken the fixed income security and then uh the textbook may using this formula. Okay, so because for another semester, some student is not from finance student, they don't have the background, so they will say for finance student they have the advantage because they have one more formula for them. So no choice, I put a here. Okay, 1 divided by BY here is the current bond price. Y here is the interest rate, or we call it the YTM. The N and the small letter I, this is a number of year, and small letter M is the frequency. Here, this is the frequency, either compounded annual, monthly, or what. Okay, and then we have the capital C. This is the coupon payment, and we have the capital M. This is the par value. Okay, you substitute, and then you can get the modified duration is this figure. Okay, you can get the modified duration, this figure, 9.63 something. Okay, this is from your fixed income book lah, huh? If go to the traditional way, you go to calculate the duration first. Shortcut lah, MPV divided by the bond price. After you got the duration, slide, multiply duration to duration, multiply with 1 divided by 1 plus interest. The Y here, sorry. Okay, the Y here, then you can get the answer is quite similar to this. That means we had the two method to calculate, and then one is the method show from slide, another method is from here tutorial. This is a method 1, this is method 2. Method 2 is a 2-step. Step 1, duration, and then step 2, you just can calculate modified duration. Okay. You can go to try. Okay, actually, the more simple way is this. The more simple way is the method I show you lah. But this method, the method number one is suitable is the bond is a long-term bond. Long-term bond with the coupon payment. Long-term bond with the coupon payment. The second method is suitable for the short-term bond. Suitable for the short-term bond and zero coupon. And zero coupon. Okay. The second method is suitable for the short-term bond, short-term coupon bond, or zero coupon bond. Okay. Why? Very simple. I let you try the method 1. I show you the answer for the method 2. Okay, method 2. Okay, step 1. Okay, step 1, 10-year zero coupon bond, the duration how much? You can go to calculate this. You can go to calculate this, and then if you understand the concept, then the duration is 10 years. It's almost 10 years. Okay, why? Why I know the duration is 10 years? Because this zero coupon bond, they never pay you the coupon in between. So you need to hold until 10 years, you just can get back your initial investment. Simple like this, oh. So step 2. Modify duration. My writing pad is not so sensitive on this area, so I change to here lah, huh? Okay, step 2. For modified duration, then is the duration divided by 1 plus R. Then you can get the answer. Then you can get the answer. Okay. Okay, you can get this answer. So risk management very easy lah, huh? I will provide you so many solutions. Important is you need to know how to apply. Okay, so now the next step. Question 1 asks you to calculate the YTM and zero coupon bond, and then the next. Okay, now they say assume interest rate. Okay, assume interest rate increase 50 basic point. So what mean basic point? Okay, in finance, if we talk about the basic point, then we direct go refer to change in interest rate. So 1% equal to 100 basic point. And then if the bank negara want to change the interest rate, they will say that I will increase 25 basic point, or I will increase 50 basic point. That means they will increase 0.25% on the interest rate, or 50 basic point. That means I will increase the interest rate 0.5%. This one we call basic point. Okay, in the next topic, we will talk about the interest rate future. When interest rate future, people using tick. Okay, tick to measure how much your profit. Okay, if your profit 1%, then equal to 100 tick. Okay, and then you don't tell other people, say, oh, today the bank negara increased 25 tick on the interest rate. Okay, This, that mean, if you're using this term, that mean you don't tell other people you from finance. Okay. You tell other people you study finance from other university, not Utah. Okay. So for finance people, we're using tick and basic point to differentiate. You are talking about the spot market interest or interest rate future. Okay. Uh, from the term you use, we know you are talking refer to which market. So if you talk about the tick, then we will know one tick, the profit is 25 ringgit. Okay. So this is the term we use. Okay. Question say, now refer to the question. So question asks you to calculate the bond price if interest rate increase 0.5%. So what is the bond price? So you're using your financial calculator, N is 5, N is 10. Interest rate is 4.25 PMT0. Future value is 100. And you find the PV. PV, you will get this answer. 65.9537. Okay. Question also asking using modified duration method. Okay. Using modified duration method, you need to using this method. You need to using this method. And this method is bond price minus the big bracket, divide duration, multiply with the bond price, and then multiply with change in interest rate. Remember, then you get the bond price this. You get the bond price is this. So you see the answer that have the small difference. The answer is around 9. Okay, my statement cannot apply at here. Okay, this is because of modified duration. The assumption under modified duration make the difference at here. Make the difference at here. So I draw the graph for you and let you see why we had this difference. This stroke is a modified duration, and we still have the U curve here. The U curve. Okay, based on the modified duration, based on the information we have, the interest rate is 3.75%. This is the bond price, 69.20205. Okay. This is from the modified duration. This is what information give us. And then the second, the question B, they say, okay, now to increase 4.2%, 4.25%, then modified duration, touch with the modified duration here, and then go to here, the price will drop to 65.8670. Okay, this is based on the modified duration. Share price based on the modified duration. And then from what you learn from other finance subject, the share price actually is the bond price actually is affected by the interest rate. The share price actually is affected by the interest rate. So its transfer to the graph should be like this. Go to 5% and then we increase until, and then we refer to here. Okay, the price should be at here. 5537. Okay, I summarize it here. So from the modified duration, they told you the share price will from 69 decrease to 65.6. But based on what theory you learn, the share price just dropped to here only. 69.20 dropped to 65.95. So this is what from theory saying. That means your modified duration cannot be used. They already overestimate the interest rate effect. So this method cannot be used. And what the people doing? The smart people, they want to earn your money. They will let the next generation suffer. You see, the knowledge we need to combine with a lot of generation to let the generation suffer. Just adjust back the overestimation, easy, right? Then I can earn your money and then let you feel the you pay is worth. Okay, so another group of people found that sorry, not found, they say actually the overestimation we can adjust back by calling the conversity. So this is the concept of the conversity come out. Okay, this is the concept of the conversity come out. And then same thing, 10 years bond. You go to calculate and then you get the conversity here. And remember, conversity don't have any meaning. Conversity here don't have any meaning. And then because of this is the zero coupon bond. This portion is 0. If a coupon bond, then what you need to do, if you have wired years coupon bond, this portion you need to do it 5 times. Okay, so you have the conversity now. You need to substitute back to the question B. You see this formula actually just now the question B. This portion is question B. And then because overestimate, you need to adjust back the conversity. Okay. Okay. Okay, because of the overestimation, we need to add back the conversity at here. So 0.5 times the conversity multiplied with the share price, original share price, and then change the interest rate power of 2. So now you get the new bond price. You get the new bond price. Compare with, you calculate using the calculator. Compare 65.9537. Okay, so now the answer is almost the same. So now the gap become very small. So this group of people say conversity still can use. Okay, conversity still can use. So duration still can apply. So conclusion for this topic is also can apply for the final exam, and then Utah will be very happy. You believe me? Believe me, Utah will be very happy on here. Okay? So try. Until here, I just give you the concept. I just show you until the limitation of the duration, and then how the conversity improve the duration. So apply on the VAR, that means the question 3. Question 3. I will cover the next tutorial, because maybe your on next Friday, both tutorial will combine together. Maybe only lah, huh? Okay. So right here, and then I give you just now. I give you few question. You go back to try. The one is I want to let you ensure you have a very slim finger. Make sure your finger is slim, not fat finger. Make sure you make a good friend with your calculator, because based on my previous example, this kind of question come out. Student have the mistake on pressing the calculator. So don't give this kind of mark to you, lah. Okay, so I stop here. So any question? Okay, it's no question, that's all. Okay, see you.